Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with opening the settings, because we will start with the customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So if we are on the settings, we have to find the display, and on the second position we've got the night light, so let's enter. And as you can see, in order to actually customize it, we have to turn it on. So just upon this big green button, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Here you can change the intensity of that feature just by swiping. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler, it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Just pick the one it is the most comfortable for you. Here you've got the schedule option, which is also cool because you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the time of turning it on and off, but also you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is. It will be network based probably. So let me pick, for example, the custom time, and as you can see, we've got the start time and end time. So after picking the start time, you will be able to set the time you would like to use as a start time. So let me pick, for example, maybe like 8 o'clock. Tap on OK, and we can pick the end time, which will be maybe on 5 o'clock. Let's tap on OK also. And as you can see, the screen did not change. It is obviously because we are not between the start time and end time. So it's really up to you how you want to set it. I will remove it. I will turn it off. Let me turn on this mode. So actually this is the whole customization of this feature. So if you are done, you can have much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, and here, as you can see, the night light immediately appears on this, let's say, notification bar or the option bar. So right now it is turned on. If you would like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. If for some reason you cannot find the night light icon here, if for some reason it did not appear, no worries, just tap on this edit icon in the left corner, and let's scroll down. Here you should find it, and then all you have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to this very first section, and it will appear normally. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.